Starting this sixth season with works in an exhibition entitled Entangled Pasts, 1768 to Now, currently showing at the Royal Academy in London. This is an installation of life-size painted cut-out figures by the artist and Turner Prize winner, Lubaina Himid, called Naming the Money. Each figure has a story, and that is what Himid is emphasizing here. They may be servants, dancers, musicians, tradesmen, with given names that are convenient to their new environments and owners. Through a soundtrack in the gallery, the viewer is brought into these people's individual stories, where they are finally given the freedom to express their past till they are brought across the sea. The title of this piece relates to the money and wealth during the period of slavery that shaped the opinion that people could be owned and stripped them to a great extent of their individuality. These new identities disguise the people's stories and their personalities and histories, hiding them in plain sight. Naming the money is overturning that notion. The figure's bright, colourful clothing is also a clue to their brighter African origins.